Alright, here is a very easy precalc slash calc question where you have to try and find the derivative of f of x. Now, to find the derivative of f of x, we have to use the power rule, which you guys should know, but in case you don't, here's a quick refresher on it. It's d over dx, which is derivative. Derivative of x to the power of n is equal to n times x to the power of n minus 1. So basically, just multiply the exponent by the coefficient and then subtract 1 from the exponent. First step is writing the terms in relation to x. Now before we do that though, I want to show you that I wrote g of x as g of x would just be equal to the derivative of f of x. Writing the terms in relation to x just means that 78x, if you see that x, that's just going to be to the power of 1, since x to the power of 1 is just x. And this will make solving for a derivative much easier, but it's not necessary. And so is this. Since it's just 9, we can write x to the power of 0, which is just 1. So then do 9 times 1, which still stays as 9. Alright, next up we're going to use the power rule. So multiply 4 by 4, 3 by 19, 1 by 78, and 0 by 9. And this gives us 16 as it was 4 times 4, 57 as it was 3 times 19, 78 as it was 1 times 78, and 0 as it was 0 times 9. And the next step is to subtract 1 from the exponents as shown in the power rule. So you would subtract from each of these exponents and you will get 16x to the power of 3 minus 57x to the power of 2 plus 78x to the power of 0 minus 0x to the power of negative 1. And these two can be simplified. So 78x to the power of 0, we know that anything to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 78 is just going to be 78. And for this last part, if you do negative 1, if you do x to the power of negative 1, and then you multiply it by 0, you would just get to 0, as 0 times anything is going to make 0. So the final answer is going to be g of x is equal to 16x cubed minus 57x squared plus 78.